No-Perc sites can still host a tiny house by using alternative sanitation systems that avoid subsurface effluent discharge. Choose a certified composting toilet sized for the household load and follow manufacturer instructions for ventilation, carbon amendment layering, and regular solids removal to a municipal composting facility or approved site. For urine diversion dry toilets, direct urine to a separate sealed container for periodic off-site disposal or safe on-site storage. Treat or dilute before use for non-potable applications and prevent cross-contamination with clear labels and robust seals. Pack-out portable systems work well for short-term or intermittent occupancy when you contract a licensed waste hauler on a scheduled cadence and keep records of pickups and manifests. Holding tanks require a properly rated tank, secure fittings, venting, and a written pump-out schedule with a certified septic service to avoid overflows. Locate the tank above the seasonal high water table and anchor it if flotation is a risk. If you want a more permanent on-site treatment, pursue an experimental permit with your local health authority by submitting a site plan, design specifications, maintenance plan, monitoring program, and proof of operator training for innovative treatment technologies. Always prioritize odor control through ventilation and biofilters, prevent vector access with screened vents and sealed access ports, and keep clear documentation to demonstrate compliance and safe waste handling. Common mistakes include undersizing the composting or holding capacity, which leads to odors and frequent emergency pump-outs, so calculate usage conservatively and adopt a proactive maintenance schedule. Another frequent issue is improper urine handling causing corrosion or odors, so use corrosion-resistant fittings, separate containers, and regular emptying to prevent buildup. People often ignore local permitting and testing requirements and then face fines or required system removal, so engage early with the local health authority, submit the experimental treatment paperwork if needed, and keep meticulous records of maintenance and waste disposal. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners seeking alternatives for No-Perc sites with local contractors and service providers who work on composting toilets, urine diversion systems, pump-out services, and permits. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world experiences, vendor recommendations, and practical tips.